Spark is a camera-first app. When you launch the app, you'll always start in the camera. To record, simply press and hold anywhere on the screen. When you release your finger, it stops recording. You can do this multiple times, and your clips will all be added to the same project. If you leave the app and return, your project will still be intact. If you'd like to undo a clip, just tap on the clip in the circle and delete it. You can change the camera settings by tapping on the Settings button in the bottom left. From Settings, you can change the frame rate, camera resolution, and stabilization. Frame rates go from 24 frames per second to 240 frames per second, which is super slow motion. You can toggle the camera resolution between 1080p and 4K. To leave settings, tap on the settings on the bottom left. To zoom, you pinch to zoom or drag your finger on the zoom bar on the bottom.